Chapter number 19, exercise 3. In that, question number 5 is measure the following angle using protractor. Now, here you can see that common initial point. That means vertex is y, right? So, here you can see one protractor. Now, here middle line and slipping line. Over there, I made one point, right? So, this point you will keep exact on vertex y, okay? Then after this line, that means 0 degree line, you will keep exact on ray yx. Okay. So first of all, let's set here point, this point on vertex y, and line 0 degree line you will keep right like this, right? Now let's see here that this dark line is between 60 and 70. That means the angle is 65 degree, right? So here you will write 65 degree, then after give the name angle ZYX is of 65 degree angle, right? Now let's see B. Here also vertex is Q. So this point you will keep on vertex Q, and 0 degree line you will keep on ray QP, right? So let's set here. Then after C, this dark line is on 100, right? You will always see inner scale. You will not see outer scale. So inner scale shows 100. So this angle is of 100 degree angle, and you can give name RQP is 100 degree, right? So next one is C. Same you will do. You will keep protractor like this. Then after see that the angle, this dark line is between 110 and 120. That means the angle is 115 degree. So writing down here 115 degree. Then after D. First of all set protractor. Then after you can see that this dark line is on 40 degree, right? You will see inner scale. So here is 40. That means this angle is 40 degree angle. Now give name NOM is 40 degree angle. Now question number 6. Draw the following angles using a protractor. Name the angles correctly. Now here first of all 35 degrees given. So first of all I will draw one point, okay? Then after I will draw one ray like this, okay? Then after I will give the name BC, okay? B is the point. Now you know that this point you will keep on vertex B, and 0 degree line you will keep on ray BC. So set first of all here, right? Then after we are asking to draw 35 degree angle. So we will for 35 is between 30 and 40. So this line is the proper, right? So here first of all you will draw one point. Then after you will make a line between these 2 points. And here you will give A, right? So here we are getting an angle that is of 35 degree. Okay? Now same you will do in B. Now here 83 degree is there, right? So first of all you draw one point and one line, right? Then after vertex Y, this point you will keep on vertex Y, and 0 degree line is on YX, right? Like this. Then after 83, that means 80 after 3 lines. Over there you will make one point and then after join it, okay? Now next one C is 110 degree. Same you will do this point on vertex F, and 0 degree line on ray FG. Okay, then 110 is here, so you will make one point there. Then after join this one. This how you will get the angle of 110 degree. Then after 125 degree. Same you will keep your protractor like this. Then after 125, that means 120, between 120 and 130. So made one point there. Then after join this one. Then after 180 is given. So same you will do. First of all, draw one point. Then after one ray, give the name OM, right? Then after 180 is there. So first of all set your protractor. Then after 180 is here, right? So you there you will made one point. Then after join this one, and here you can give the name N. So this one I draw 100. This how I draw 180 degree angle. Okay. Then after F, G, H, I or J you will do at home.